Hello and welcome to this video which will show you in a couple of minutes how you can remove unwanted duplicates from your datasets. This can be especially valuable if you've got large datasets and it's really hard for you to have a look through that dataset and see where data might be duplicated. So in this video we're going to show you how to remove duplicates based on different combinations of columns, based on different combinations of data. And this should help you in order to ensure that you're analyzing the data that you expect and that you're not, for example, counting certain items twice maybe, or even more within a certain data set. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Here's my data set in front of me, and this is a data set analyzing the population of South American countries. Now, just in order to show this demo in action, I'm going to copy a couple of these items. So let's just select rows 6 and 7. I'll do a Control C, a copy there, and then we'll just right click into cell 16, insert these copied cells. So here we have two exact copies of rows 6 and 7 in 16 and 17. In order to find the functionality to remove duplicates, notice that I'm already clicked onto the data tab here at the top of the ribbon, and this functionality is to be found here in the data tools group and remove duplicates. It's in the center there and it's got a kind of red X next to the icon. So we're going to click on this and we're going to see what happens. So it's already selected the data that I want to work on because all of this data is in one kind of block. So it's actually decided that it's going to look in all of this table. It has also decided that my table has headers, and this is correct. So it has some data there in the first row to describe the data that's held in the table. So this has been ticked correctly there. So we want to ignore those. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to leave this on the default selection. Now what this is going to do is remove duplicates, and it's going to remove the duplicate where the country, population, year measured, main language, how the country is divided are all the same. So what we're saying here is that all of these columns have to be exactly the same in order for those duplicates to be removed. Now remember that we copied exactly number 6 and 7, which was Uruguay and Paraguay. So in theory, all of these columns should be the same. So let's go ahead and click OK and see the effect of this. Okay, there we go. So you can see clearly 16 and 17 have been removed because all of those columns were exactly the same. Now let's press Control Z, which is a useful shortcut. That's just undo, so that takes us back one step. And we're going to do exactly the same again, and we're going to just change a small piece of data in order to show the effect here. So I'm going to change this to 9 here, and I'm going to put the cursor back within the data area, and let's click on Remove Duplicates again. Let's leave these as they were. So what we're doing now is we're removing duplicates again, and that's based on all of these columns. So all of these columns have to be the same for it to find duplicates. And we're going to click on OK, and bear in mind that we changed the population of Uruguay. There we go. And now I've been told one duplicate value was found and that 15 unique values remain. And as expected, Uruguay is still there because it's checked across all of these and it's not a duplicate of row 6 because the population number is slightly different. Okay, just in order to demonstrate this further, so bear in mind that the population has been changed. And we're going to again click on Remove Duplicates. However, what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to remove this tick from population. And what this means that is we're removing duplicates where the country is the same, the year measured has to be the same, the main language has to be the same, how is the country divided has to be the same. However, it's going to ignore any differences in population. So I'm just going to click on OK here. And you can see, because we're ignoring the population, The duplicate was found because column 1, 3, 4, and 5 were all the same. So I'm just going to click on OK there. We've lost our 2 records again here down at the bottom. And so what this shows is that you can remove duplicates very easily from your data. You can do this across a large data set. And that's where it becomes very useful, and where you don't have the ability to see very clearly whether there are duplicates in the data. And you can also choose the columns which you want to base that analysis on. So for example, if you just wanted to check for duplicates in column 1, then that's perfectly possible. You can just unselect all of these and just say, I want to look for duplicates just in the country column, and then that would basically remove any duplicates based on just that country column. So lots of flexibility within something that seems quite simple in the beginning, but it really is helpful to analyze your data and allows you to remove those duplicates very quickly. And there we go. We hope that was useful for you. Like the video if it was, and also subscribe to the channel if you think that could be useful. Okay, see you the next time. Bye.